When she says nothing, but something is clearly wrong. Now, this is how to fix it. Every man in a relationship has faced this scenario. You notice something is off, her energy has shifted, and you ask, what's wrong? She replies with a tight smile and a single word, nothing. But you know deep down something isn't right. This moment is a critical junction. Handle it well and you build trust. Mishandle it and you breed resentment. Here's how to navigate the situation like a confident, emotionally intelligent man without games or guesswork. 1. Don't challenge her response. Read between the lines. When a woman says nothing, take a moment to pause. Don't push. Don't say, I know something is wrong, in an accusing tone. Instead, recognize that this is often her emotional shield. She may not feel safe or ready to open up just yet. For instance, if she's unusually quiet during dinner and you ask what's wrong and she replies nothing, resist the urge to debate it. Instead, say calmly, all right. If you want to talk about it later, I'm here. That sentence signals emotional maturity, and more importantly, it gives her space without feeling abandoned. 2. Check your own energy first. Sometimes her nothing has less to do with her and more to do with you. Maybe you were short with her earlier. Maybe you didn't notice something that mattered to her. A confident man takes stock of his own behavior without guilt-tripping himself. Example, if you were glued to your phone all evening and she seems distant, think back. Own up to your role if necessary. I have been distracted today. I realize I haven't really been present. If that's bothering you, I get it. Acknowledgement is powerful. It lowers her guard and opens the door for honesty. 3. Don't turn it into a power struggle. When she says nothing, don't make it about winning or proving a point. This isn't the time to say, you always do this, or just say what you mean. That approach creates emotional distance and defensiveness. For example, if she pulls away and says nothing, don't match her coldness. Stay centered. Say something simple like, I can see you are not yourself. I won't pressure you, but I care about what's going on with you. Your calm presence breaks the cycle of emotional ping pong. 4. Be patient but not passive. Patience doesn't mean doing nothing. It means staying emotionally grounded while giving her space. A passive man avoids the situation entirely. A confident man checks in without hovering. For instance, later that night, after some time apart, gently return to the subject. I have been thinking about earlier. I want to understand what's on your mind. When you're ready. This shows consistency, care, and leadership. Number 5, create a safe environment for honesty. Sometimes women don't open up because they fear how you will react. Maybe you get defensive, maybe you shut down. If you want real answers, you have to create an environment where honesty isn't punished. For instance, when she finally opens up, listen, don't interrupt, don't fix it, just say, I hear you. When she's done, ask, is there anything I can do differently? This approach makes her feel emotionally secure, and that security builds deeper intimacy. 6. Respond to emotion, not just words. Men often focus on the literal message, but emotional intelligence means listening to how something is said, not just what is said. Her nothing might be frustration, sadness, fear, or disappointment wrapped in silence. Let's take, for instance, if her tone is sharp or her eyes look distant, reflect what you sense without judgment. It seems like something is weighing on you. I won't push, but I notice it. This signals that you are tuned in, not just checking off a box. You get it? So, number 7 is avoid guilt-tripping or weaponizing her silence. Some men react to the nothing. Some men react to the nothing response with passive-aggressive behavior, slamming doors, going cold, or playing emotional games. This only adds fuel to the fire. Example, instead of withdrawing or saying, fine, be like that, Maintain a calm presence. Do what you would normally do, but stay emotionally available. If she sees that you're still ready and caring, steady and caring, she will come around. Number 8, know when to let go and revisit later. You can't force someone to talk when they are not ready. Sometimes the best move is to let it go for now and return to it when the energy is cooled. For instance, the next day over coffee, say, I know something felt off last night. If it's something you want to talk about, I'm all ears. That subtle nudge tells her she's not alone and that you care even after the moment has passed. 9, build a pattern of emotional safety. This isn't about one moment. It's about the emotional culture you create in your relationship. If you consistently respond with empathy, patience, and strength over time, she will be more likely to open up when something is wrong. For instance, when she sees that she can talk to you without being dismissed, argued with, or judged, her nothing will turn into real conversations. Consistency builds trust. Consistency builds trust. Number 10, recognize that emotional expression looks different for her. Men often express frustration through action, walking out, going quiet, or getting snappy. Women might express it with silence, subtle tones, or withdrawal. Her saying nothing is not denial. It's often a placeholder for emotions she hasn't unpacked yet. For example, if she's acting distant but still making dinner or taking care of things, recognize that she may be processing silently. Acknowledge her actions with gratitude. Thanks for making dinner, even though I can tell something is on your mind. I appreciate that. That gratitude melts resistance. That's gratitude. It melts resistance. When a woman says nothing, but clearly something is wrong, don't treat it like a puzzle to solve or a game to win. It is an opportunity to show strength, presence, patience, and emotional leadership. You don't need to chase answers. You need to stand firm in who you are. Communicate that you care, and leave the door open for real connection. A man who can calmly navigate emotional waters without losing his center is a man women respect, trust, and stay emotionally close to. That's how you fix it. Not by forcing the truth, but by creating a space where the truth feels safe to come out on its own. Hope you've learned something today. If you have, give this video a like. And do subscribe if you have not. And to all my subscribers, thank you. And put down your comments in the comment section if you have anything to say or you have anything to add to this. Put it in the comment section. See you some other time.